I'm Matthew. Welcome back to Matthew's Online English Hive. Today we are going to learn how to use have to and has to in conversation. Have to and has to both have the same meaning, and we should understand where to use and why we should use have to and has to. In general, it is used to express impersonal obligation. Obligation means we are bound to do something. It is used to express obligation, responsibility, duty, or commitment. If you're committed to do something, you can say, I have to do this. I have to work. Sometimes I don't feel to work, but I have to do. I am committed to do that work. That's why I can say I have to do that work. Let's see when we can use have to and has to. Have to and has to. We use have to with I, we, you, they and all plurals. All plural subjects. For example, I have to. I have to go. We have to. You have to. They have to. We use has to with he, she, it and all singular subjects. Let's have some examples. I have to upload more videos on YouTube. I have to upload more videos on YouTube. I have to teach my students. As a teacher, I have to help my students. I am committed to teach, so I have to teach my students. She has to take care of her family. If I talk about third person, she has to take care of her family. He has to do a job for living. They have to look after their children. They have to look after their children. Let's have some more examples. We have to wear a mask in public. Nowadays, we have to wear a mask in public. If I say you don't have to wear a mask, that means it is not an obligation. It is your choice. You can choose whether you want to wear the mask or not. You don't have to wear a mask. So there is no obligation. But if I say you have to wear a mask, yes, there is obligation. It's an obligation. We have to stay 6 feet away from others. We have to stay 6 feet away from others. Children have to attend online class nowadays. Yes, children have to attend online class nowadays. They don't have to be present at school. They don't want to go there physically. They have to attend online class. Mom has to cook food every day. It's her duty or responsibility. Mom has to cook food every day. We have to practice English daily. If you want to improve your language skill, English language skills, of course, you have to practice a lot. You have to practice every day. Let's look at the questions. How we can make yes or no questions. Do you have to wear a mask? Do you have to wear a mask in public? Do you have to go to work? Do you have to cook food? Let's talk about others' responsibility. Third person. Does he have to wear a mask? Does she have to go to work? Does he have to cook food? Does your mom have to cook food? Let's see how to make WH question. Where do you have to go? Where do you have to go? Why do you have to wear mask? I am expecting you to answer. The reasoning, you give the answer, giving a reason. Okay, I want you to give a reason. That's why I'm asking. Why do you have to wear mask? When does she have to cook food? When does she have to cook food? I hope you have understood this lesson. If you have understood this lesson, please let me know. What you have to do is put your comments below and tell me what you have to do every day. What you have to do every day. If you like my videos, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.